Okay, here unstructured means here the data will be like a raw data. Okay, the data will be the raw data, so it will not understand, it will not understand for using. Okay, it will not understand for using in semi unstructured data. It is like a chunk of data. You will not understand how you can read. It will not understand. అంటే ఈ డేటా అనేది ఎలా ఉంటుంది అని అంటే ఒక స్ట్రక్చర్డ్ వేలో అయితే ఉండదు. ఏ స్ట్రక్చర్డ్ వేలో ఉంటుంది అని అంటే అర్థం కాని ఒక జంక్ డేటా. అంటే ఈ డేటా అనేది ఏంటిదంటే ఏదైతే ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ నుంచి వచ్చిన డేటా, బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ నుంచి వచ్చిన డేటా ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో అది ఒక స్ట్రక్చర్డ్ వేలో లేకుండా ఇలా అన్స్ట్రక్చర్డ్ వేలో అనేది డేటా అనేది ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? ఆర్ యు గెట్టింగ్ మై పాయింట్ ఎవ్రీవన్?
Yes, ma'am.
యా, అలా డేటా ఉంటుంది. అలా డేటా ఉన్న తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది అని అంటే ఆ డేటా మనకి చదవడానికి అర్థం కాదు కాబట్టి ఏం చేశారనంటే సెమీ స్ట్రక్చర్లోకి తీసుకొచ్చారు, సెమీ స్ట్రక్చర్డ్ డేటా. ఓకే, సెమీ స్ట్రక్చర్డ్ డేటా ఏంటిది అని అంటే కీ పేర్ వాల్యూస్లో స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటుంది ఆ డేటాని. ఇట్ విల్ స్టోర్ లైక్ అ కీ పేర్ వాల్యూస్ లైక్. ఓకే, సో హియర్ it will accept in semi-structured data that will be JSON object we are performing right now, and that will be CSV files also it will accept. Okay, like this one key pair values means here the key, you will take any name of the key here. Okay, and after that wait a second, it will store like that. Here key pair values. Okay, here the key means this will be the name, and here value means I'm getting here something Jayashree. Like that it will stored like a semi-structured data. So the structured will be like this. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, కీ అనేది ఉంటుంది, కీ అనేది నేమ్ కిందికి తీసుకుంటున్నా, వాల్యూ ఉంటుంది, వాల్యూ అనేది జయశ్రీ లాగా తీసుకుంటున్నా. ఓకే, so this is the way how it will get. Okay, next, what is that? Structured data. How the structured data will be? The structured data will be like a rows and columns wise. Okay, rows and columns wise the semi structured data. Are you getting this? How it will be? What is JSON? Right now our topic will be, so JSON functions. Okay, JSON in SQL allows you to store and work with data in a flexible manner. Okay, in a flexible semi structured. Okay, semi structured format using SQL queries. Okay, and it will store as well dynamic data also. Dynamically we are writing the one API call something here, dynamic or nested data. Nested data means inside of the data, inside another data you have. Okay, so in that the way it will showing, and how the structured will be there. Okay, how the structured will be there using this one, and the structure will be JSON object stored in column. Okay, that will be name, here name, you will store After value also you need to store, like Madhu. Okay, and after that you will store age here as your wish. So here we are using double quotations. How many quotations we have? How many quotations we have?
3 types, ma'am.
Okay.
Two
So
types.
here integer, I'm not using any quotation here. Why? It is integer. So that's why I'm not using any double quotations and all the things here. So this is also, we have skill, and after that here we are using the value I'm taking here, that will be SQL and Python. Okay, like that it will store. Okay, so this is the JSON structure, how I need to build. Okay, so using the JSON structure I will use a query SSM. So click on connect here. So click on new query. So I am creating database here. Create database. The database name will be employees. Okay, here I am taking okay, I need to take first database, right? Database will be the JSON I will take. Okay, so it is taking all as well. Okay, so I'm going to executing this. So the query will be executed successfully, and here use JSON2. This is the database name here. So here the JSON2 I have stored, and click on execute. Currently I am using the master branch replaced with the JSON2, and after that I need to create the table here. Create table. The table name will be the employees. Okay, and after that ID int primary key I am taking. So here the primary key will be the constraint, right? And name varchar. What is varchar here, Abhishek? Varchar means what? My voice is audible or not?
Audible.
What is varchar here?
The characters length, ma'am. Like we take in.
Varchar is a data type JST.
Exactly. The varchar is the data type. It will store the characters.
Yeah.
ఏమొచ్చింది అభిషేక్?
Abhiram, ma'am.
అభిరామ్ ఏమొచ్చింది?
ఏం రాలే, ma'am.
మరి చెప్పరేంటి? ఏం రాకపోతే చెప్పాలిగా.
ma'am.
కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ లేదు.
Varchar is a data type, ma'am.
ఇప్పుడు చెప్తున్నారా అభిరామ్? కెమెరా ఆన్ చేయండి. కెమెరా ఆన్ చేయండి అభిరామ్. ఇంటర్నెట్ సరిగ్గా లేదా?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్, ఫోన్ అప్పుడప్పుడు 5G నుంచి 4G ఇలా అవుతుంది మ్యామ్. సో అందుకే
ఓకే,
సిగ్నల్ జంప్
అయిందా? కొంచెం చూడండి, నేర్చుకోండి. అర్థమైందా? అట్లా చేయకండి.
Okay.
Next, I'm going to inserting the data here. That will be insert data with JSON. So I'm using here inserting the data using JSON here. Okay, using key pair values here. How it will be చెప్తారా ఎవరైనా? So insert into table name. What is table name here? Employees. So I need to mention the columns first. Here that will be ID and name. Next, details. Okay, details. Here values. Next, first one JSON I'm storing here. Here Madhu. Next I'm storing age. So this will be the integer. Okay, and after that skills. Here also key pair values like that only I'm taking. Skills. Skills. Okay, and after that array I'm going to opening here. I'm mentioning the skills. That will be SQL and Python. Okay, next city. Here I'm taking Delhi. Okay, so how the way it will stores the values like this. Okay, next same I'm taking using JSON object only. This date same array I will take. Okay, key pair values like that. So here I'm going to take Madhuri. Okay, here age 22. Here I'm going to change the details. Java. Okay, here C++ I will add. Here I will take city only. Here I'm changing the city name. That will be HYD, Hyderabad. Okay, I'm going to ending this again I'm going to take another values. Abhi. Okay, so here Bangalore. Here Node.js. C. Okay, I'm ending this, and here I'm going to executing this one. We will see. JSON DP. It is truncated.
అది క్లోజ్ చేయలేదు.
ఏది క్లోజ్ చేయలేదు?
ఇంకో బ్రాకెట్
ఎక్కడ చేయలేదమ్మా? size it is not taking that much. So I'm going to adding alter table employees and alter column details varchar max. Okay, executed successfully. Alter means what, ma? Venkat, mute yourself. The 3 rows is affected. Why? Because here it is not taking a 50 size. Here I have taken more than that. Okay, so that's why it is not taking. So we will see. Okay, select star from, what is the table name? That will be employees here. Okay, I'm going to executing this. So all the data will be fetched here using JSON object type. Okay, so here I'm going to writing one details, that will be query JSON data. Okay, how? Okay, select here particular column. I'm selecting name JSON. Okay, JSON, here it is not there. Just a second. One second, ma. JSON, here unquoted. Okay, here I am extracting JSON. Okay, JSON extract. I'm extracting the query here using only details. That will be using only the city. Okay, okay, we will see. Here I think some mistake is there, but we will see. Okay, using as city from employees. Okay, we will see. So here the JSON extract, it is not taking. Okay, so here why it is not taking JSON extract? I need to extend the and extract the data here, right? But it is not taking. We'll see. Here it is JSON. In the SQL we need to take a value only. Here JSON unquoted, it is not accepting. Here JSON value you can take. Okay, here the JSON value and the details only you can mention here, details only. Okay, extract, it is not accepting here, details, that's it. name also you can take correct one. So execute this one. Why? Okay, so it is a reference type you can take, that will be the dollar. Okay, only city and name, only the JSON value, it is separated with JSON value only. So here name and JSON value, only city. Here I have taken the only city and JSON value, that's it. Here JSON value means what? Here the only the city, it is in the form of city only. So can I take a skills here? Only skills, only skills we will see. So it is null. Why? Because it is not taking any reference type, only it will accepted one value here. So here we have the two values, so that is why it is not accepting. Are you getting my point? I have taken the skills, yeah, skills, but it is not accepting, only it is accepting the city and the value things, that's it. So using query I have get the data. Okay, this is how the way using a JSON object. Is it clear everyone?